I'm really excited to be here at the Powertrain. This is one event that we always look forward to every year, and there's a huge demand and request from our customers to hold this event in all the 3 countries. The reason we hold the Powertrain is all the industry experts, consultants, end users and our customers can come together and talk about what challenges they face, what are the design requirements when it comes to selection of generator sets and so on.
We have very interactive session. We can see that the people are very encouraging and keeping engaged in this session. In the end of the day, I would like to thank all our partners and our alliance for their contribution to make it a very successful event. Thank you.
I'm very surprised because everybody here, they are very professional. The event, it meets my expectation, and I would say it exceeded the expectation.
It's very informative, and it gives very good information for the engineering in both aspects of facility management, operation, design, installation. It's very informative. Thank you, Cummins team.
Yeah, so it's exactly what I expected. So thank you for this presentation. I look forward to the sizing part at the end of the presentation.
I really appreciate this invitation, and I hope to repeat it again in the future to discuss all the trends in the market. Thanks a lot.